Hello again. Right now I'm going to show you how to do properties of logs in Chapter 9, Section 2. You may remember me from the following section, which was 9.1 in Intro to Logs and Log Graphs. Like the other section, it's very simple. All it is memorization of where the numbers go. And in this section I'm going to show you how to expand and condense and natural and common logs. So let's go with expanding first. Expanding, I'm going to show you how these equations equal each other. It may not seem like so right now, but they do. So what you're going to do is you're going to expand. Let's start with this equation. The log base 3, parentheses, x to the power 4, y to the power 2. What you're going to do is they want you to get this into this. How I'm going to show you how to do this is you're going to start with log base 3, and what they're saying is you're multiplying this times both of these. So let's do this. Let's do this plus another log base 3. And let me show you where you're going to put these x to the power 4 and y to the power 2. Where you're going to put this x and y is kind of similar to where you put them on 9.1. That's why if you remember 9.1, it will be, all the other sections will be very simple after that. This x and the y are going to be the bigger number after the base for the log. So this x is going to go right here, and this y is going to go right here, like so. So then all you have left is the exponents of the variables. So this 2, instead of it going back to the exponent right here, where it would actually be wrong, you're going to bring this 2 and bring it in front of the log, like so. And if you see, that equation is the exact same as this one right here. Those are equal. So that's how you condense. All you do is get this log, bring it to both of these, like so, and the bigger number is going to be after the log, and the exponents are going to go before the logs and their original base. So that's expanding. That's how you do that. Those equations are equal, just as these are the exact same. Now, condensing. Condensing is just as easier, if not a lot easier. So what you're going to do is you can just work backwards from here. If you know how to do this, you can easily do this. You just need to work backwards. So you're going to pull out the main base that both of them have, which is log base 3. So log base 3. Now, finding what you need to get in the parentheses is a little bit difficult. So what you're going to do is you're going to find what part of this is not in this. So both of these have log base 3, that's why you took this out. It's kind of like finding the GCF, greatest common factor. And then everything else you have left is going to go in the parentheses. So whatever we have left right here is x and this 4. What you're going to do with these x is you're just going to make it become x to the power of 4. And you're not, since they're not being added anymore, they were always multiplied, you're going to do y2. This is this because this 4 is always the exponent of this, and this is always the base of this. No matter what, it's always going to be that way, because in logs, you just use, this is always the base. That's why this always goes on the outside, since it's in both. So you're going to get this 4, and that's going to be the exponent of this. Kind of like right here. That's what I got right here, and that's why these are equal. So again, you just take out whatever is the same, and in the parentheses you take whatever the bigger number is after the log. That's going to become your base, and the number before the whole equation is going to be your exponent for that base. And then that's how you do expanding and condensing. All you need to remember is you know how to do one, and you can know how to do all of it. It's very simple. Now I'm going to show you natural and common logs. Natural and common logs are very, very, very simple. Like in expanding and condensing, these equal each other. Let me show you how. Log base 8, 35. Log base 35 over log base 8. These are equal in this way. So what you're going to do is, for log base 8, so whenever it's like the base of this number, that means it's being divided by, kind of. So it's going to be like log base 35, like this, divided by log base 8. Right? So whenever it says log base 8 is 35 and you're doing natural and common logs, you're just going to get the bigger number, and that's going to be divided by the number that is the base of the log. And that's how you go, and then you just keep doing that to go back and forth, and that's why this equals this, and those are the same, and then this is going to equal that. To go back, you just do the one that's on the bottom. That's going to be, oh my bad, it's going to be log base 8, since it's on the bottom, and it's divided by, like right here, and then whatever number is on the top, that's going to be in the parentheses. And that's how you do natural and common logs. Again, the smaller the base of the log is going to go on the bottom. This number is going to be this number divided by this. And you go from this to this, you're just going to get the bigger number on the top. You're going to get rid of the log, and it's going to be log base of the number on the bottom to the number on the top. And that's how you do 9.1, property to logs, which is expanding and condensing, and natural and common logs. Thank you, and watch again for more videos.